Welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today, we're diving into a very useful topic, how to put a link in your Instagram post step by step. If you've ever wondered how to do this, you're in the right place. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips and tricks like this one. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. This is the button you use to create a new post. Step 3. Choose the photo or video you want to post. You can either select something from your gallery or take a new picture or video directly within the app. Step 4. Once you've selected your photo or video, tap Next in the top right corner of the screen. Step 5. Add any filters, effects, or music to enhance your content if you'd like. Then tap Next again in the top right corner. Step 6. Now, tap the Write a Caption field. This is where you'll craft your caption and add your link. Step 7. Type or paste the link you want to include in the caption. For example, you might type youtube.com or another link you want to share. Remember, Instagram captions don't allow clickable links, so viewers will need to copy and paste it. Step 8. Adjust the other post settings as needed, such as tagging people, adding a location, or turning off comments. Once you're happy with everything, tap Share to publish your post. Now, here's an important extra step if you want to make your link clickable. Step 9. Go back to your Instagram home screen. Step 10. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Step 11. Tap Edit Profile. Step 12. Under the Links section, tap on Add Link. This is where you can add a clickable link to your profile. Step 13. Enter the link you want to share and save your changes. This way, when people visit your profile, they can click directly on your link. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a link in both your post and your profile. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.